Okay, we are here now at Ayuste Nature Park. So, gikan sa Calamba Farm, pwede ra siya baktason. Okay, enjoy watching! Naabot na ta og karon na sila entrance fee nga 20 pesos per head. And if you want to enjoy their 100 pesos, pwede, inclusion of coffee, pancake, and bottled water. And now we're here. Look at the view. It's so nice. Whoa. Hastang bugnawag yun diri dapita. Very, very nice. It is located here in Maragusan, Davao de Oro. See the landscape, the green fields ay sobra bongga, as in super relaxing. And naa sila diri canteen for breakfast and lunch or anything that you want to eat. Naa diri. And while waiting for the food, you have to enjoy muna the view. Grabe, makabusog na ang view. So, diri mi ron mag-breakfast, gikan mi Calamba. Okay? Mga unta ninyo, we ordered adobong manok, fried chicken, and pansit for our breakfast. So, lami kayo ang kaon, kay lami kaayo tan-awon ang view sa among atubangan. So hope you can visit here and enjoy the nature park. Sige, mga unsa mi. again. Pauli na mi. So we're going back to highway. Bye. Thank you for watching.